we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we...
Hey guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I changed the wig from this to this. So I'm here to show you what it looks like, cut, style, and on me. I think it looks so much better. Like, because I bleached it, I lost so much of the volume at the end, and so I think it needed to be cut. And so, like, the wig looks brand new again. So, no, this looks nice. I mean, I love longer hair, but this is really nice. So, if you guys want to see the process of me cutting it and all of that, I was a bit iffy, but it came out good. So if you guys want to see how I, what should I say, revive this wig, then definitely just keep on watching. And by the way, I do have a tutorial on this makeup look, which will be in the description box, and I'll pop it up here or here. I really don't remember which side, but it's from one of these. It's coming out. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so guys, I have this wig for so long, and so I want to change the style a bit, so I am going to cut this hair and revive it. So let's see how this works out. So I am going to start out with 2 elastic bands, and this will basically be my marker for where I want to cut off the excess hair. I am using the viewer finder as a mirror, so that's why I'm not looking directly into the camera. So now that I decide where my marker is, I am going to go in with a scissors and I'm going to cut above the elastic band. After I'm through cutting off the excess hair, I am going to go in with a large tooth comb and I'm going to comb through the wig. So as you can see, it did not cut on one level, so I am going to go back in with the scissors just to level the bob cut. So now that I'm through giving it the finishing touches, I am going to go in now with my condition and water. I also put a little bit of silicone mix in this bottle, and I'm basically going to be spraying the wig, you know, just to revive it. Then I'm going to go back in with the large tooth comb just to comb through the hairs. Then I'll leave it to dry, and this sums up how I revive this old wig. So last night I showed you guys what the wig looked like before I cut it, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like since it's cut, you know, and I wet it up and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put it on for you, and as you can see, I just leave out a few baby hairs because I want it to look natural. So just put it on from front to back, and I'm using the viewer finder because I cannot see. This wig is pretty tight. I'm just looking to see if it's in the center, which it's not. So yeah, this is what I cut it down to. I actually, well, initially I did not like it, especially when it's wet. So when it's dry, it looks better. But actually, I think I'm in love with it now. I kind of love it now. Like, this shot, look at me, it looks so good. Like, it looks really nice. Babe, Angel, she get up. So yes guys, I tried to cut a wig for the first time and it came out great. Yeah, and it cut good. My hairstylist, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I mean, it's pretty quick and short, but yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies.